Cookbook for the Universe Prolegomenon. The universe, in its vast complexity, has inspired humanity for millennia, compelling us to seek understanding through science, philosophy, and art. The quest to unravel its mysteries led to discovery of profound principles that govern both the observable and the unseen. The Cookbook for the Universe represents a synthesis of this timeless pursuit, offering a unified framework that bridges the microcosmic and macrocosmic, the abstract and the concrete, and the philosophical and the scientific. This work is not a conventional treatise. It is an invitation to explore the mechanics of existence through a new lens. Informed by the foundational ideas laid out in two earlier manuscripts, Ex Nihilo, the Delta Phenomenon, and Essay on Relative Gravity. Together, they form the cornerstone upon which this book is built. Here, their insights integrated into a cohesive narrative, offering a fresh perspective on the forces and dimensions that shape our reality. Purpose and vision. The purpose of this book is to present a framework that unifies disparate aspects of existence, from the infinitesimal interactions of particles to the vast orchestration of galaxies. It seeks to redefine our understanding of gravity, time, and matter while illuminating the harmony underlying their interplay. By marrying the scientific rigor of object-oriented design with the philosophical depth of Ex Nihilo, we aim to provide readers with a toolset for comprehending the universe, not as a collection of isolated phenomena, but as a dynamic and interconnected whole. Foundations. Ex Nihilo introduced the Delta Phenomenon, a principle of cyclic evolution and transformation, asserting that the universe is a continuous interplay of creation and iteration. It explored the philosophical implications of existence out of nothing, emphasizing the role of symmetry and harmony in the emergence of structure from chaos. Essay on Relative Gravity expanded this foundation into a scientific framework, reimagining gravity and the fundamental forces as relational and polymorphic. Using object-oriented principles, it proposed that the universe operates as a dynamic system where entities, forces, and dimensions are interdependent and iterative. Invitation to exploration. The ideas presented here are both bold and unconventional. They challenge traditional paradigms while respecting the foundations laid by Newton, Einstein, and other luminaries. This book does not claim to provide definitive answers but aims to inspire inquiry and dialogue. It is a synthesis of science and imagination, grounded in established theories yet reaching beyond their limits to propose new possibilities. Readers are invited to approach this work with curiosity and an open mind. Whether you are a scientist, philosopher, artist, or simply a seeker of knowledge, you will find here a narrative that intertwines the empirical with the abstract, the tangible with the ineffable. By Orion Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity. To describe the mechanics of the universe as this journey unfolds, certain guiding principles serve as touchstones, providing clarity and direction in navigating the complexities of existence. These principles form the backbone of the framework presented in the Cookbook for the Universe, illuminating the connections between the microcosmic and the macrocosmic, the tangible and the abstract. Guiding principles. Symmetry and harmony. These foundational elements ensure balance and coherence across all scales of existence, from the smallest particles to the grandest galaxies. The Delta Phenomenon. This principle captures the iterative nature of evolution, linking the microcosmic and macrocosmic through continuous cycles of transformation. Relative Gravity, a unifying framework that redefines the relationships between forces, mass, and time, providing a holistic perspective on cosmic dynamics. Time as a dimension. Time is presented as a dynamic, cyclical axis that drives the evolution and interconnectedness of the universe. The harmonic mean extended beyond mathematics. This principle describes universal balance, bridging physical laws with profound metaphysical insights. Let this Prolegomenon serve as your guide into the chapters that follow, where we explore the fabric of existence through the lenses of relative gravity, the Delta Phenomenon, and the harmonic symphony of the universe. Welcome to the Cookbook for the Universe, a journey into the heart of creation, evolution, and infinite possibility.